This is my absolute favorite pancake, and it's loaded with fiber, 2 extra large eggs, vanilla, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. You can even skip the oil and the molasses and it would still be great. Mix well, you're gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk. Mix well, then add 1 cup of buckwheat flour. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I just love buckwheat flour. It's loaded with fiber, it's gluten-free, and it's so nutty and great. And to make it extra special, I'm gonna caramelize some bananas in butter and brown sugar. You can add bourbon if you want. Just a touch until they're nicely caramelized. Towards the end, you can add a touch of heavy whipping cream. And as always, I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. You're gonna flip 1 pancake after the other. You're gonna cook the pancakes in some butter, and it's optional. You can do them very healthy without anything. They are so fluffy and light. You're gonna serve with a little bit of dulce de leche, some caramel, or some syrup. It's your choice. Enjoy the most amazing buckwheat pancakes. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit! Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more easy recipes.